Exercise 9, Part B on the page 36. Use the decomposition in prime factors to determine the GCD and LCM. So we have in each part a pair of numbers. We have first to decompose them into prime factors, and then we have to find their GCD and LCM. So let's start. First, we have to find the factors of 9. 9 is not divisible by 2 since it's not even. It's divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 is divisible by itself since it's a prime number. 3, 1. 12 is an even number. It's divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 also even, divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. 3 is a prime number, so 3 divided by itself, and we get 1. Then we have to write them in an exponent form or exponential form. Then we write 9 equals 3 squared, 3 to the power 2. 12 equals 2 squared times 3, 2 squared times 3. And then we have to fill this table. We draw the table first, we put the primes on the horizontal row, and we put the numbers on the vertical column. The primes, we have two types of primes, or two kinds, which are 2 and 3. So the primes are 2 and 3. And then we have to fill the table. 9 is 2 to the power 0 since there's no 2, and 3 to the power 2, 3 squared. 12 is 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 1. Till now everything is okay. Now we have to find the GCD. As we said before, to find the GCD we take the smallest power. So we take the primes with the smallest power, which is 2 power 0 and 3 power 1. So for to find the GCD of 9 and 12, so 2 power 0 times 3. 2 power 0 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. And then to find the LCM of this pair of numbers, which is 9 and 12, so we take the prime numbers with the highest power or exponent. Then we take 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2, which equals to 9 times 4 is 36. Let's see the another exercise. We have 30 and 45. 30 is an even number divisible by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 is not divisible by 2, it's divisible by 5. But wait, we have to do the decomposition using the prime numbers in increasing order. We should not skip 3. If it's divisible by 3, we have to do it first, not to do division by 5. So 15 is divisible by 3. That's why we don't have to skip directly for 5. So 15 is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. We go up till 5. 5 is divisible by 5, yes. And the answer is 1. 45. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? We have to check. 4 plus 5 is 9, so yes, it's divisible by 3. Then we put 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? We don't go back and ask ourselves if 15 is divisible by 2. just we go in increasing order. Okay, 3, 15. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 5, 5. It's not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. 1. And then we write them as product. 30 equals 2 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 1. And then 45 equals 3 to the power 2 times 5. We draw the table. We put 30. The numbers are 30 and 45. And the primes are 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, and 5. So the kinds of the primes are 2, 3, and 5. For 30, we have 2 power 1, 3 power 1, and 5 power 1. For 45, we have 3 power 2 and 5 power 1, and there is no 2, we put 2 power 0. To find the GCD, as we said before, we take the smallest or the lowest power, 2 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. So the GCD of the two numbers 30 and 45 is 2 power 0, 1 times 3 times 5, which is 15. And then to find the LCM, the least common multiple of the the pair of numbers 30 and 45, we take the prime numbers with the highest degree. So let's look here. We have 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, and 5 to the power 1. So we multiply them together. 2 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 1, which equals to 90. We have to make correction here, I guess. So yes, it's correct. 3 squared is 9, 9 times 5 is 45, times 2 is 90. Till now everything is okay, and let's have a look for the second exercise. We have 105, so we put the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and then 11. 105, is it divisible by 2? No, it's not, since it's not even number. Let's try by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. Yes, it's divisible by 3. So 105 divided by 3, and the answer is 35. Is 35 divisible by 3? 3 plus 5 is 8, not divisible by 3. We skip for 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 70 is even. It's divisible by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35. 35, it's not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 5 plus 3, 8. No, it's divisible by 3. Not. Then it's divisible by 5 since it ends by 5. The numbers that are divisible by 5 are those that end by 0 or 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then we write them in this form. 105 is 3 power 1 times 5 power 1 times 7 power 1. For 70, we have 2 power 1 times 5 power 1 times 7 power 1. And then we draw the table, we put the primes and the numbers. For the number 105, we have 3 power 1, 5 power 1, 7 power 1, 2 power 0. For 70, 2 power 1, 3 power 0, 5 power 1, and 7 power 1. To find the GCD, we take the lowest. 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1, 5 times 7 is 35. For LCM, we take the highest power. 2 power 1 times 3 power 1 times 5 times 7, and the answer is 210.